Hello and welcome. Have you ever wondered about the plastic bags, bottles, and toys we use every day? Many of them are made from a material called polyethylene. It's the most common plastic in the world. In this video, we're going to explore the simple journey of how this amazing material is created, from its raw source to the finished product. The story of polyethylene begins deep underground with crude oil or natural gas. These fossil fuels are a mix of different molecules. First, they go through a process to separate them into useful parts. One of these parts is called naphtha. Naphtha is the key ingredient we need, but it contains very large molecules. We need to break them down. This is done through a process called steam cracking. The naphtha is heated to extremely high temperatures, over 800 degrees Celsius, along with steam. This intense heat cracks the large molecules into smaller, more valuable ones. The most important small molecule we get from this is ethylene. Ethylene is our fundamental building block. Think of it as a single, tiny Lego brick. Now we have lots of ethylene molecules. The next step is called polymerization. The prefix poly simply means many. So, polymerization is the process of linking many ethylene bricks together to form a long chain. This process doesn't happen on its own. It needs high pressure, high temperatures, and a special substance called a catalyst. The catalyst acts like a matchmaker, helping the ethylene molecules join hands and form a chain called a polymer. This long chain is polyethylene. Interestingly, by changing the recipe slightly, we can make different types of polyethylene. If we use extremely high pressure, the chains form with many branches, creating low-density polyethylene, or LDPE. This is the flexible plastic used for grocery bags and cling film. If we use lower pressure and a different kind of catalyst, the chains grow very straight and long. These straight chains can pack closely together. This creates high-density polyethylene, or HDPE. HDPE is much stronger and more rigid, which is why it's used for milk jugs, pipes, and sturdy containers. After these long polymer chains are formed, the material is a hot, molten goo. To make it easy to transport and use, this molten plastic is cooled down. Then, it's chopped up into tiny plastic beads called pellets. These small pellets are the final product of the chemical plant. They are shipped to factories all around the world. At these factories, the pellets are melted down again and then molded or shaped into all the plastic items we see and use. So, to recap, we start with crude oil, crack it to get ethylene, use a catalyst to link the ethylene into long chains, and end up with plastic pellets ready to be shaped. It's a fascinating process that turns a simple gas into countless useful products. Thank you so much for watching and learning with us today. If you found this video interesting and want to see more simple explanations of how things are made, please consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel. Your support helps us create more content for curious minds like yours. See you in the next one.